The rich versus the poor. Long ago, in the peaceful village of Ajat, there lived two boys. One was a rich boy named David, who lived in a big mansion with everything he could ever want. The other was a poor boy named Abdul, who lived in a small hut with his hard-working parents. David believed that money made him better than everyone else. He often laughed at Abdul's old clothes and worn-out shoes. Abdul never argued. He remained humble, respectful, and worked hard every day. One year, a terrible flood swept through the village. David's wealth could not stop the rising water, and his family became trapped inside their house. When Abdul heard the cries for help, he quickly gathered some villagers and borrowed a small wooden canoe. Together, they rescued David, his family, and many others from the flood. David was surprised that the boy he had mocked was the one who saved his life. Feeling ashamed, he apologized to Abdul for treating him badly. Abdul smiled and forgave him, saying, "A kind heart is worth more than a pocket full of money." From that day on, David and Abdul became best friends. David learned to use his wealth to help the poor by building a school, repairing roads, and providing food for families in need. The people of Ajat admired both boys because they understood that kindness and generosity make a person truly rich. Moral: true wealth is measured by the kindness you show to others, not by the money you have.